I will talk about how can you make call phone on your CC app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just come to shots here in this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then can you select any uh, so both categories here. I'm going to click on CC here.
Hey, nice to
So
meet
then
you.
it's going to
I'm
show for
CiCi, you're
you like
humorous.
this. Then all you have to do to make a call, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it and you click here on while using the app, so then here can you, and like you see here, can you make vocal in this list on your CC app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.